everyone, I'm Snow from Guangrong Group. Today I'm going to take you a look at the workshop of integrated powder actuated nails. This is one production line of the integrated powder actuated nails. We have totally 6 lines of the integrated powder actuated nails. The daily output is about 6 million pieces, which can meet any high demand of the integrated powder actuated nails. We have inspectors to test, supervise, and control the quality every 1 hour during the production. See, that is our quality inspector. Okay, now we're close to the end of today's visit to the workshop. The integrated powder actuated nails are quite popularly used and fast developed for past 6 years. They definitely bring users the convenience and high efficiency. Have you used the integrated powder actuated nails, and how do you think about them?